So I have a day off work today. Woo! Gonna go ride my bike. Haven't been on the bike for a while. I'm only going to a little place called Forest Bower. Hopefully it should be good. I think this place is around 20 minutes away. One thing I did do is bring my Garmin. I have the Garmin Phoenix 3, the new fitness sports watch. So I've just got to Forest Bower right now, and it doesn't seem to be too bad. I was driving up that hill just then though, and it was absolutely stinking, absolutely soaking. Okay, so I just dropped my camera. My Canon 700D is now scratched. Such a ball ache. Cool, anyway, I'm all good, I'm ready. Let's go and ride. Okay, so first run's all sorted. Very muddy, a few close calls, falling off, things like that. This is the part where you gotta ride all the way back up to the top. Okay, so I'm heading up to the top of the mountain. There's supposed to be some jumps and stuff up there, so I'm gonna check that out. So here we go. Okay, I'm at the top. My legs are burning like hell. It's the only thing I hate about mountain biking is the ride to the top. Absolute killer. Okay, so we're not too far from the jumps now, I don't think. They're literally just around the corner. So hopefully they're not too waterlogged to jump. But obviously we'll have to check that out. And obviously go from there, but I'm still bummed that I broke my camera. It works, but my screen, it looks like somebody's dragged it down the road somewhere. It's horrible. I wonder if you can replace them though. If anyone knows that, if you can get replacements of Canon 700D screens, let me know. Alright, so we just got back from my ride. Here's the machine, as you can probably see now. Very dirty ride. So I'm gonna get changed now. Get some clean clothes for driving home in my car. Okay, so I'm back now. I'm all changed, all fresh. I just wanted to show you what I did to my camera, because it's still really frustrating me. So scraped all that. Gonna see. Like, it might look nothing to you, but to me, like, this is really new, and this is one of my, this is my prized possession, I suppose. But that's really, really annoyed me. So that's that. Okay, so the only thing left now is just to see how my Garmin watch done. It's my first time ever using it, so we'll just have a look to see what we got. Alright, so we have, my distance was just under 3 miles. The time was 1 hour 30 minutes, 10 seconds. I did stop the watch a few times in between that, just so it wasn't running. Average speed 2.5 miles an hour. 2.5 miles an hour. But I was stopping, I was recording, I was filming, I was getting different shots, so that's probably why. And an average of 16.8. So, also, what else we got? Okay, so I burned 624 calories. My maximum heart rate was 184 beats per minute. TE, I don't know what TE is. My ascent, I did 570 feet. My descent, 557. Okay, so there you have it, guys. It works. I don't know about the 2.5 mile an hour bit, but so cool. Well, peace out. I'll see you in my next one.